Hello students, in today's session of current electricity, very basics on open circuit, short circuit, charging, discharging of battery, and also distribution of current in parallel and distribution of V in series will be discussed through illustrations. We have already discussed these topics through illustrations. These topics, very basics, you can go through sethiswiftlearn. In this case, illustrations were taken from JEE Main, which you can also review on sethiswiftlearn. I would also like to say detailed paper solution is available on sethiswiftlearn.com. You can have by visiting the site. I would also like to request, अगर अभी तक आप sethiswiftlearn YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट इफ यू लाइक द कंटेंट्स एंड वीडियोस. Now let's start with the concept and questions. Concept regarding potential difference V across the terms of the battery. There are 4 cases. Battery may be open circuit. OC is open circuit. That is not making closed loop. Not making closed loop, that is I equal to 0. In that case, V equal to E. V equal to E. Second, short circuit. Short circuit means when battery is like this, that is short circuit. V will be equal to protocol. Third is charging of a battery. Charging is resistance. Current is being fed. Current is being fed to battery. In that case, this is our E plus IR. What is discharging? Discharging current is being drawn from the battery. In that case, V equal to E minus. These are the 4 cases of the array. We will discuss the question also. Also, we will discuss distribution of I, distribution of V in series, in parallel. In series of parallel through illustrations in the question. Now, start with the question. Question is, find the potential difference across each of the batteries B1, B2, B3, B4. Now, concept applicable and solution. We should be familiar with the terms open circuit, short circuit, charging, discharging. All these concepts will be applicable here, and KVL will also be applicable here. Now in this case, B1 is not in closed circuit. Therefore, it is open. It is open. Means no current is flowing through it. Therefore, V equal to E. That is 4. Right? In this case, B2, short circuiting. When we connect the terminals with the conducting wire, that is called short circuiting. In case short circuiting, in case of short circuiting, V will be equal to 0. Total V will be equal to 0. Now, across B3 and B4, applying KVL to closed loop A, B, C, D, A. Be careful. This point and this point should be same. Then it will become the closed loop. Direction is shown here like following this. The summation IR equal to summation E. KVL has been discussed in the earlier sessions. Right? I am again repeating. Summation IR equal to summation E. Direction of flow current is this. So this is how much? 2 ohm. I 2 plus 2 plus. This is how much? P3 1. That is equal to summation E. This much is, this is 10 volt, 10 volt, 10 volt, 1 ohm. This is leaving point of the terminal is positive, the positive value. That is 10 volt. In this case, leaving point of the terminal is minus 5 volt value. Right? Then 5 equal to 5, I equal to 1 ampere. Current in this loop is 1 ampere. Now check the case of charging or discharging. Charging कब होगी? Charging and battery sign is like this. This is the case of charging. Current is fed into the discharging, and current is being drawn from the battery. Current drawn from battery, and current feed to battery charging. In this case, V equal to E plus IR. In this case, V equal to E minus IR. Everything is given to you. So B3 is a case of discharging. B3 is a case of discharging. B3 case of discharging. That is, current is being drawn from battery. So V will be equal to E minus IR. 10 volt minus 1 into, how much is the 10? 1. This comes out to be, that is 9 volt. Right? Current is 1. That. Now, case of B4, case of charger. That is, current is being fed. Current is being fed to battery. In that case, V equal to E plus V is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1 into 2, that is 7 volt. This is all about short circuiting, open circuit, charging and discharging, how to find the batteries. All concept has been cleared. Next question. Question is, in the given circuit, shown in figure, potential difference across 6 ohm resistance, इसके across is 4 volt. Find V and I across each and also find EM of the applied battery. Concept applicable and solution. Concept applicable and solution. You know, RP is product upon sum. That is 1 over RP equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. From this, we get product upon resistance divided by the sum of resistance. In series, I is same and V is distributed in direct ratio of resistance. In parallel, V is same and I is distributed inverse ratio of resistance. Inverse ratio of resistance. Product terms, these concepts are applicable here. Now, its equivalent circuit. Its equivalent circuit will be 8 ohm product 18 divided by 2 ohm, 3 ohm, right? This is applied here. 8 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, right? What is across this is given to you? 4 volt. 4 volt. Now, according to this concept, this is a series. No, it is series combination. Combination of 3 resistances. In this case, I will be same and V will be distributed in direct ratio of resistance. So V across 8 ohm resistance will be equal to, that will be, it is 4 times 4 into 4, that is 16 volt. Because 8 ohm can be ratio of 4 into 2. 2 ohm के across 4 volt है, इसके across. Similarly, V 3 ohm will be equal to 1.5 into 4, that is 6 volt. So this will be 6 volt. This will be 16 volt. Right? 6 volt, 16 volt. Therefore, applied EMF will be equal to 16 plus 4 plus 6, that is 26 volt. Interresistance considering 0, right? Then current through 8 ohm resistance, current through 8 ohm resistance will be equal to, according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R, 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8, that is 2 ampere. Similarly, now voltage is known. Across this is 4 volt, across this is 6 volt. So current through this I equal to V upon R, I equal to V upon R, V upon R, V upon R. We can find the current through each resistance, right? Now I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.